So, pag-aaralan natin kung paano tayo mag-multiply ng mixed fraction to simple fraction. Kapag nag-multiply tayo ng mixed fraction to simple fraction, una muna natin ginagawa ay papalitan natin itong mixed fraction into improper fraction. Paano natin gawing improper fraction ang mixed fraction? Unang-una is i-multiply natin yung denominator sa ating whole number and then i-add natin yung numerator. Ito, 2 times 2 is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. And then, kopyahin natin yung ating denominator. Kopyahin din natin yung ating isang factor is multiply by 3/4. Ayan, pwede na tayong mag-multiply. Then, titingnan natin kung may makaka-divide sa may numerator dito and then denominator dito. 5 at saka 4, may makaka-divide ba? Wala. Walang makaka-divide sa 5 at saka sa 4. Ito din, magka-partner ito. So, tingnan natin yung 2 at saka 3. May makaka-divide ba sa kanilang dalawa? Wala rin. So, mag-multiply na tayo. Kapag tayo nagmo-multiply ng fraction, gagawin lang natin is multiply numerator to numerator, then denominator to denominator. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. And denominator naman natin, 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Since ito ay isang improper fraction, gawin natin siyang mixed fraction. Paano tayo gagawa ng improper fraction into mixed fraction? Kinakailangan lang natin mag-divide. So, yung 15, yung ating dividend, at saka yung 8, yung ating divisor. Tandaan palagi na yung denominator natin, yan yung ating magiging divisor. Divide na tayo. 15 divided by 8, that is 1. 1 times 8 is equal to 8. Subtract. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. So, ito na yung ating magiging mixed fraction. Yung ating quotient, yan yung ating magiging whole number. And then, yung ating remainder, yan yung ating magiging numerator. And then, kukopyahin lang natin yung ating denominator. Yan.